Hello students. So today's session is in continuation with the previous that is advertisement, and in the previous class we have done for sale of property, of vehicle and of household goods. So well students, today we will go with the educational part and lost and found. So nowadays now as the CBSE has declared the result, and in the new institutions or the colleges they are going to start with the new course. So in such cases the institutions, they used to insert their advertisement. So first part will go with the educational institutions advertisement. So as usual, so before means going to the main part, students, you should have a certain, or you should know certain points, or what are the basic the points or the main points that should be included, which you should always keep it in mind. So now on the screen you can see the format inside which what are the points are included. So as far as the educational institutions ad is concerned, the name of the institution, that is a must. Then you can also give that in order to drag or to means catch more and more the students, so you can also highlight about the past records and what are the courses that is being offered there and the duration of the course, whether that course is for the degree course or it is a diploma or any other short term course. So that duration should be specified very clearly in the advertisement. And the next step, that is the eligibility criteria. So in the eligibility criteria, so for the students who can be or means can seek the admission, so that the criteria should be mentioned in the advertisement, and details of admission test. So admission test, that is only if any in the sense that if that particular institution before taking the admission, if they are taking the any such the written test, then you mention, otherwise simply you can leave it. And then what are the facilities that is being offered by the institutions, because facilities also play a very important role, and the fee structure, that should also be specified. Then scholarship information, and the next point, last date for registration, that is until what date the students filled in form should be, or the application form should be submitted to the institution. Then finally towards the end, that is the most important one, that is a contact address, phone number, or the nowadays the email ID, you can use it over there. So these are the certain main points before entering into the questions. So well students, now one question, one sample I have prepared for you. We will just go through it on the screen. You just have a look. You are the secretary of the Institute for Career Guidance, Sector 15, Gurgaon, specializing in career guidance and counseling. Draft a suitable advertisement to be published in a daily newspaper. So this career guidance and counseling, this is one of the nowadays means very the familiar that is a guidance cell, or the familiar, that is course. So just have a look how we will write the advertisement. Side by side students, just prior to this I reflected some certain the basic points that should be always there within your mind, and now just you see that whether that thing is reflected here or not. So, career counseling, Institute for Career Guidance, Counseling and Development of Personality, holding a summer camp from 1st May. Facilities for games, group discussion, personality development packets, elocution, interviews and histrionics. Training by panel of expert, career oriented, may apply by 20 April. Contact Secretary, Institute for Career Guidance, Sector 15, Gurgaon, then the telephone and number. So, in this question you just have a look what is that written over here, what are the facilities that is being offered here in this career guidance course. That is facilities like games, group discussion. So, by group discussion the communication skill or that is being improved, and the personality development, that is also there, and once again elocution. All these things only enhance all the 4 skills of a particular person. So, likewise now we will do some questions over here. So, students, question, as I am not going to write the question, but simply I will just tell you the question and we will go for the advertisement that is regarding the educational one. So, for example, that is IFLU. What is IFLU? Indian and Foreign Language University, Hyderabad. So, as it is as the academic in charge of that very particular the university, if you are asked to write the advertisement announcing about the different courses that is being offered over here. So, on behalf of the academic in charge, or the academic in charge is going to insert the advertisement in the newspaper. So, how we will write? So, as it is the educational one, so Indian and Foreign Language, that is IFLU. IFLU announces the commencement of short term course in Spanish, Japanese and Russian languages. Eligibility, twelfth pass students, duration, as I told, it is the short term course, that is why 6 months. Excellent faculty, about the fee structure, that is fees rupees 2,500, that is a per month. Then I told you about the features, or about the past record, how it is. So excellent past record, placement facilities, incentives for early birds, Sendio, application form, by 30th July 2020. Contact, whom to contact I told in the beginning, who is inserting this ad, that is a academic in charge. Academic in charge, IFLU, Usman Road, Hyderabad. So students, this is just one example I have given, as this IFLU is going to start with certain short term course. So here the courses, the new course which they are going to start, that is about the Spanish language, the Japanese and the Russian language, and for this they have framed certain criteria for that, the eligibility, all the students who had qualified the +2 or the 12th examination, and this is a short term course, so it is for the 6 months. And about the excellent faculty, fees mentioned, that is per month, and the previous or the past record is very good, and even the regarding the placement facility also. Okay. So this is one example. I hope you students might have grasped some ideas, in case if the educational institutions advertisements, in case if it is asked in the board examination, so what are the points or how to write, at least you might have gathered some ideas. So students, we will go for the next question. So the next question, that is, for example, nowadays these vocational courses, you know, that proves to be a boon for the youngsters, in case as job opportunities, it is going less day by day and all, and in case if you are a skilled person, so if you have got some vocational training, so you can manage your life. So that's why now we will go for one question. As the secretary of the National Institute of Vocational Training, as that institute is going to offer certain diploma courses, so how the ad is being inserted in the newspaper. So once again, it comes under the educational one, but here it is a National Institute of Vocational Education is organizing. So educational, let it be the same thing, we will just go with that, all the same points regarding about the criteria, the fee structure, the placement facilities, all those things that should be included, and what are the course it is going to offer here, the diploma course. So National Institute of Vocational Studies announces the commencement of diploma courses in fashion designing, the next one, what are the different courses that is going to offer? First one fashion designing, next one electronics, animation, and television, hard and software. So these are the vocational courses National Institute of Vocational Studies Delhi is going to offer, and how is attracting the students to seek admission. So eligibility, the same, that is the 12th pass, duration 2 years. So 2 years I have written because 1 year for training and 1 year the classes will be there. So duration 2 years. Quarterly fees, here also excellent faculty, well furnished labs and workshops, here also placement facilities, interested please apply the filled in performer before 31st July 20 to the Secretary, National Institute of Vocational Studies, Pusa Road, Delhi. So students, regarding these educational institutions, ads are there. It is very simple, and almost nowadays students all are familiar with that. What are the special features of that very particular institutions? So likewise you can go for the other career guidance or n number of other courses, but the thing that you got it in mind, I hope so, that is regarding the eligibility and what are the, whether it is a diploma or the degree course, you should mention about the duration of the course, and regarding the faculty members and the placement or any other incentives that is being offered by your institution. So students, now we will just this two, the topic is enough, I think so, and now we will shift to the lost and found column. And once again, this lost and found column is also not a new topic for you people. Every now and then in the newspapers, one column means the ad is there in case if somebody might have lost their Aadhaar card or about their some school certificates, or sometimes about the driving license. So these are the type of the ads, you know, which are very much familiar in our islands. The largely circulated newspaper, that is in the Daily Telegram, and there you can see that in a very precise way it is written, because in the very first class when I started with the advertisement, I told that it is a paid one, that's why words are the very few, but as a student for you from the examination point of view, the word limit is 50. So within that the prescribed word limit, you have to put forth all your ideas. That is what the tested in the language. So we will go for the lost and found column. Now on the screen, just to see what is that, the main points before writing that should be set in your mind. So begin with lost or found and mention the place where you have lost that thing, some ideas you might have, and the day, the date and the time where you have lost or found any article, and do not forget to mention the contact address. That is the most important one, towards the end, the contact address, and do try to ask some specific particulars of the lost or the found articles. So that means what, you know, in case you found some article or you found some material, whether it might be a mobile phone or it might be a laptop or it might be a student's the book or any other such things. So if you found that one, so in that case how you will write that. So here in the found column, you know, you should not mention detail about that one, because in case if you tell all the details about that one, so naturally many people will come for claiming that one. So here in a precise way only you should say that. And if you desire to provide any incentives, mention it clearly. So these are the certain points, students, that you should always keep it in mind. So now on the screen, now you can see one question or one slide I just prepared for you. Write an advertisement for the lost and found column of a local newspaper stating the loss in the local bus of a bag containing important documents. You are Ritesh, Ritika, contact number 93108550. So that means what? You have lost your leather bag. So how you will insert the advertisement in the newspaper? So lost my, first do the thing that is lost, 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 or simply you can also write lost and found. Here I have given that is a lost, lost, lost I have given, or you can write the same thing, or lost and found also you can write. So lost my brown colored leather bag while traveling on bus number 573 running between Nizamuddin to Red Fort, New Delhi on Saturday between 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. So the bag contains the important documents including my board certificate, identity card, checkbook. Finder, please contact Ritesh, Ritika on phone number. So here, as the person, he has lost the particular, the person has lost their leather bag. So that's why in detail he is giving all the the things which is there. So in case if you find anything, so in that case you should not write about the contents or the materials in a detailed way. So now students, we will just have one question for practice. So students, just have a look on the board. So lost and found. So this is one question. The question goes like that: as you have lost your library book while traveling from your some destination from one place to the other. So how you will write the ad here? So lost a library book titled Contemporary English Grammar by David Green, Macmillan publication on 10th July 2020 while traveling in bus number, because time I have not mentioned here because the very clearly the bus number and the area that is being mentioned here. So bus number 472 between Aberdeen Bazaar to Dollygunge, and the book, anyone, identification mark is a must. So here for the identification mark, because it is the school's library book, so personally you cannot write or make any your own personal identification. Likewise, sometimes some sticker at the back side or like that. So here as it is a school's book, so that's why the book bears the accession number of Government Model Senior Secondary School, Aberdeen, Port Blair. So finder, then contact, the contact address is given over here, and finally as in the lost and the found column, some the treat or the reward as per your wish you can, or some sort of acknowledgement that should be given, because somebody is returning your the materials. So your noble gesture will be acknowledged. So likewise students, you can go with the n number of questions, too many questions. Likewise, it is a library book, it might be about your wristwatch, it might be about the mobile phone, or sometimes about the laptop. So the main thing is that you should know the features of all such the materials. So as it is the holidays is still, or the summer vacation still going on, so whenever you get the off time, spend some time and try to gather the ideas or the knowledge regarding the small materials. So which might be one day it might prove a boon for you, especially during your examination. So that's all in today's class students. Thank you.